Hi, I'm making a new handle for one cutlass and a spare handle for the other cutlass. Time lapse, go. Good afternoon. Today is the real work day. Yesterday was just a bit of kind of prelude. I needed a spare handle, so I'm going to grab both swords, put my hair up, and we'll get to work. See you in the shop. Yeah, here, check out this sledgehammer head. Pretty dang big. Can restore that at some point soon and have a great new forging hammer. Feels like it weighs 12 pounds. It's a big boy. And as you can see, this guard fits straight out of the glue. That's because I left the tang slot a bit oversized. So ain't that splendid? That's starting to feel good. Anyways, Blake's currently out of the store with Mum getting leather straps for the sheaths. So instead, I'm going to focus on mine until he gets back. So in step one, I'm going to put the letter P, G on this side, sorta. P on this side. T, like that. What I just wrote on there is which side goes to the guard, which side goes to the pommel, and which side is the top. Now I'm going to start well, shaping it down some. So let me shimmy you on over. All right, time to start work. If I screw this up, I gotta restart. That's kind of cool. Focus on the thingy. Yeah. I like that. Now if that's not looking and feeling good, I don't know what is or what does. Look at that. Go back to the sander to flatten that end off. I'll have to figure that pommel out later. I guess for now I'll start shaping this one down so we'll be ready for sizing with Blake. Back to the center again then. You know what? Gonna make you into a time lapse now. You're all covered in dust. Alright, time lapse time. Okay, so I got that all shaped up. Looking pretty good. And you can see that he's here with me. He's fogging his glasses up. Anyway, so I got that all good. Got that all good and shaped now. But now it's obviously way too long because you can't even see the tang. So I need Blake's hand to measure how long I have to cut this. But he's at the house right now, so I called him. Would you go get him from the house, please? Could you please? We don't have much time left. He's rolling away. All right, well, he'll be back in a bit. In the meantime, I need to check out how I'm gonna make the pommel for this thing. I'm gonna fix the camera real quick. Something like that. So right here, as it is, there's not enough tang at the back to make a pommel that you peen on. What I'm thinking I could do though for this one is make a small sort of cap style pommel and bend this all the way around the end with a hole in the middle of this, and I could just weld that on right there. Maybe hold it all together like that. This could possibly work. So then there's a question of materials to use. There's a big bar over there we could use, and or we could use some of the round stock over there. Oh, you're here. Come on. So, how's this? It's good. Feel good in that? Yeah. And of course it'll be tighter once it's all glued up, because. Yeah. Would you like it better if it was like a bit slimmer? Because that is a pretty hefty thing. And here, before grab hold of it like how you'd be holding it, sort of like do this number with it, or like hold it out. Get it how you would be holding it standardly. And right about so. Thank you. That's really all. Back to work on this. How long guy is efficient. I'll turn the camera around and wait. Do you want to steal a golf cart or something? What are you doing here? Battery's getting kind of low. We didn't just vanish this time around. Alright, bandsaw. Hopefully I can get these cut before the battery dies. Yup. Doop. Doop, 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 doop. Going to grab a bottle of water, and I expect by the time I'm back, the battery will be dead. And it's still alive. Whoop. Since it's still alive then, I'm gonna walk towards the bees until it dies. Well, that was incredibly ironic. I guess the camera's afraid of bees. The second we started walking towards the bees, it died. But since we didn't get even out of the shop, let's go look at the bees anyways. I think you guys would like a bit of a reprieve from the workshop. And I like the weather today. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think it's supposed to rain at some point, but... Well, hello. What on earth is this? Huh. £1,400 of steel. Here's the beehive. Buzzing around it. I'm gonna leave them alone. Last thing I wanted to get massacred by bees. And now real quick, I'm gonna swing back. What the hell? Oh, that's what it's caught on. I'm gonna swing back over here. Now I'm gonna flatten the end of that handle off. Oh, that's right, I gotta take this down in size a bit more. Alright, time-lapse mode again. I'm very sorry, editor. Ooh, there we go. Got that a bit shaped better. Going out to the house now to confer with Blake to see if that's good. I'm not calling Sean guy again because I've already used my favor for the day. Or not the day, I guess the month really. He's a very solitary kind of guy. What's that there? A lot of dust covering everything. Both the camera and my lungs and my nasal passages is quite insane, really. Oh, okay, that almost fell. Ooh, this I could use a bit more work. Does this feel a bit better? Yeah. It's gonna take a bit more meat off because you can see it's not perfectly symmetrical, but yep. There's a smidge more shaping I have to do on that thing, so back to time lapse. Alright, there we go. I got both handles shaped down even better now, and they're feeling absolutely astonishing to hold right now. They're coming along superbly. But now, I'm going to, first before I say that, I was looking at this piece of round stock, and I think this can work for both pommels, and if not, we have bigger round stock laying around, so yeah. Yeah. So now though, I'm going to stop working on the handle side of things, because there's something that I have to do to the blades themselves. That thing is shaping the bevels to the rest of the way. I still have some wibblies in there, so I'm going to take you. Oh, stop hitting the fan. It's going to ruin the legs of the tripod. Take you. Stick you over here. Find a way to set you up around all of the stuff over here. Like that. Yeah, I'll do that. That's looking good. So now, I'm going to pop this 24 grit off and stick an 80 grit on. There's an 80 around somewhere, wasn't there? There's ones there, but those look kind of used. What are you? You're tearing, that's what you are. Start with the older one. All right. Now I'm gonna have a bit of I'm going to have a quick bit of a sit down to have a look at some historical cutlasses and see how the pommels look on them. That way I can get a bit of an idea how I need to make my pommels. So, catch you in a minute. Okay, so after a bit of looking around on the internet, I found out a lot of historical pommels on these on cutlasses wasn't just one piece with the guard going down to in front of it, but rather the pommel fits on sort of like this cutoff. Going this way. Yeah, fits on sort of like this cutoff, and fits on like the cutoff there. You see, goes on like that, and this comes around the end, and it fits on right there. So I'm thinking I'll probably do something like that. And then since there's not enough material left here to really pin anything over once I got this on and that bent over, I'm probably going to weld both of them. So, guess then we're going to go ahead and start cutting. Never mind, the bandsaw is misbehaving. Plan B. God, this is heavy. back, hands, arms, shoulders. Oh, you didn't even see that. Ah. Oh my goodness, that hurt. What kind of steel even is this? There's spark test time. It's mild steel. I forgot to check off that we finished shaving the bevels. One, and two. It's a heavy piece of steel. Oh, but that battery's getting low. Alright, let me start this recording for a second. Okay, there we go. So, good productive day. We got both handles shaped. They're all fitting now. So that's splendid. We got the bevels all trued up. So, next time, we're going to keep working on the pommels. This is one blade I got cut out. I'm going to have to file it down or something, or find a way to sand it or grind it. So I have to get that nice and flat, poke some holes in it with the drill so that way it'll fit on the end of the tang. Then we gotta bend the guard around to fit over the end of the tang. We're also going to heat treat next time. Oh, that's gonna be stressful. We'll also have to start working at sheaths. I can't really think of anything else to say. We've got stuff done. A lot of stuff done, so I'm very happy about that. So, if you like this video, then please consider liking and subscribing to see our future videos and to see how this project turns out. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time.